Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So starting off, I'll be using this brow lift kit from archbybdb and going to highlight my brows with it. And the next thing I will be using is this Morphe brushes Jaclynhill Vault collection, and going to take this palette, Ring the Alarm, and going to take the color Rush as my transition shade with a fluffy blending brush. And going to take this color Framed from the same palette, and going to start applying this color with the same blending brush, and going to diffuse the color slowly so it gives us really warmth of a both color, but at the same time I have definition on my outer crease. And going to take this color Rockstar from the Bling Boss palette. This is the only color I'm not using from the same palette, but yeah, it's gonna bring out the look more. Blending it out with a fluffy blending brush, and going to take some concealer with this e.l.f. concealer brush, and going to carve out my cut crease with it. And the next color I will be using is this Alert from the same Ring the Alarm palette, and going to apply this on the inner parts of my eyes, and going to take this color called On Camera, and going to apply this on the middle parts of my lid. It's a shimmery color. So the next color I'll be taking is Framed again, and going to apply it on the outer V. As you can see, I'm following the steps. To take the G-Class lashes in Brigid, and going to apply it off camera, and Too-Faced Hangover RX setting spray / primer, and priming my face with it. And the next thing, I'll be moving on to my face, and going to use this underrated color from cosmetics, and going to take this Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and going to apply this on my face. And blending it out using this Bare Minerals buffing brush. And the next thing I'll be using is this Colourpop's No Filter Concealer in medium 30, and going to highlight my face with it, and using this Real Techniques contour brush. And the next thing I'll be using is this cream contour from Cosmetics, and it's the color called Toast, and going to cream contour my face with it, since my face looks really pale from the concealer. And yeah, blending it out using this tripling brush from Wet n Wild. And I'm taking some lauramercier translucent powder to set my under eyes, and using this Wet n Wild contour palette to contour my cheekbones with it, and using this makeuprevolution shimmer radiant brick highlighter to highlight my face with it. And going to take this color Savage from Doseofcolors Daisy X KD collection, and yeah, this is a perfect fall look. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is the final look. Hope you guys really enjoy it, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.